That was my first time setting up the walls on the Ostrich Wing 270 awning, the first freestanding awning in the world. I mean, they started it, they made it, and it is amazing. So really wasn't too hard. Now trying to figure out where the zippers needed to be and getting the poles down, really didn't take very long. I did it all by myself, but I think this is going to be a great addition to cold weather, to when it's raining. I think it's going to make camp so much better for those harsh conditions that sometimes we don't go camp in because it just seems too difficult. But I think this will make life a lot easier.
I just can't get over the price of it. Yeah. I could go out to my shop and build one, but